Ever felt like your phone system was holding your business back? Like you're juggling multiple apps for calls, messages, and meetings, losing precious time and maybe even a few calls along the way? If that sounds familiar, then you're in the right place, because today, we're diving deep into the world of RingCentral, specifically, how to master its powerful calling features to streamline your communication and boost your productivity. RingCentral isn't just a phone system. It's a unified communication platform designed to bring all your conversations into one seamless experience. Whether you're making a quick call from your desk, taking an important client meeting on the go, or managing a high volume of inbound inquiries, RingCentral offers the flexibility and features to handle it all. We'll explore how to make outbound calls, manage incoming calls like a pro, leverage advanced features, and even touch on setting up your devices for optimal call quality. By the end of this video, you'll be a RingCentral calling expert, ready to transform the way you connect with clients and colleagues. Let's start with the basics. Making an outbound call. RingCentral gives you several intuitive ways to do this, catering to how you prefer to work. First, the RingCentral desktop app. This is your central hub for all communications. To make a call, simply open the app and look for the dial pad icon, usually located prominently. Click on it and you'll see a familiar-looking phone keypad. You can then either directly enter the phone number you wish to call, or if the person is in your contacts, start typing their name or number. RingCentral's Smart Search will quickly bring up matching contacts, allowing you to select and dial with a single click. Before hitting call, you'll also have the option to select your outbound caller ID, perfect for when you want to display your main business line or a specific departmental number. What if you're working within another application like your CRM or email and see a phone number you need to dial? This is where RingCentral's click-to-dial feature becomes incredibly handy. With the appropriate integration, you can often simply highlight a phone number on your screen and a RingCentral icon will appear, allowing you to initiate a call directly without manually typing the number. This saves time and reduces the chance of misdialing, ensuring you connect with the right person every time. For those who prefer a more traditional phone experience, RingCentral also supports a wide range of desk phones. If your desk phone was purchased directly from RingCentral, it's usually pre-configured for automatic setup. You simply plug it in, and it connects to your account. For third-party desk phones, you might need to go through an assisted setup process, entering your phone's serial number into the RingCentral admin portal and then entering RingCentral's provisioning server address into your phone's menu. Once set up, making a call from a desk phone is as straightforward as picking up the receiver and dialing, or using the contact directory on the phone itself. Now, let's talk about the other side of the coin. Receiving incoming calls. RingCentral offers robust call handling features to ensure you never miss an important call and that your callers are always directed efficiently. When a call comes in, it will ring on all your configured devices. That could be your desktop app, your mobile app, or your desk phone, or even a combination. The RingCentral app for both desktop and mobile provides a clear visual notification of an incoming call, displaying the caller ID. You'll have several options. Answer. Simply click or tap to pick up the call. Send to voicemail. If you're busy, you can send the caller directly to your voicemail. Ignore. Silence the call without sending it to voicemail. Forward. You can forward the call to another colleague or department. This is incredibly useful for ensuring calls are routed to the right person, even if you're unavailable. Reply with message. In situations where you can't speak, you can send an automated text message to the caller, letting them know you'll get back to them. But it's not just about answering calls. RingCentral allows you to customize your incoming call handling rules. You can set up different rules for work hours and after hours, ensuring your calls are handled appropriately around the clock. For example, during work hours, you might have calls ring on all your devices simultaneously, or ring in a specific order. After hours, you could automatically send calls to voicemail, or forward them to an emergency line. These rules are fully customizable through the RingCentral app or the admin portal, giving you complete control over your inbound call flow. Beyond basic calling, RingCentral offers a suite of advanced call management features that truly elevate your communication. During an active call, you have a range of options at your fingertips. Mute. Easily mute your microphone if you need to speak to someone in your physical environment without the caller hearing. Hold. Place a caller on hold, often with custom hold music, while you retrieve information or consult with a colleague. Transfer. Seamlessly transfer a call to another extension or external number. RingCentral offers different transfer types. Warm transfer, consultative transfer. This allows you to speak with the person you're transferring to before connecting the caller, ensuring they're available and have the necessary context. Blind transfer. This directly transfers the call without any prior consultation. Call flip. This is a fantastic feature for mobile professionals. Imagine you're on a call on your desk phone and you need to leave the office. With call flip, you can seamlessly transfer the active call to your mobile device with a single tap, without interrupting the conversation. The same applies in reverse, from mobile to desk phone. Record. Many RingCentral plans include call recording. You can often initiate a recording on demand during a call, or set up automatic call recording for compliance or training purposes. Park. Call parking allows you to place a call into a virtual parking spot, and then retrieve it from any other RingCentral device. This is particularly useful in an office environment where a colleague might need to pick up a call that came in on your line. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.